What's going on, world? You already know what it is. Come and sharing the jewels and the gold and the diamonds. You know how I do. When I find some, I'm share with you. So check this out. This one is called the Members Only Club, TMOC, where members have privileges. Unlock yours today. This is one of the most amazing programs I've ever seen. I've seen a lot of fake fraud and, man, scandalous programs out there, but this one is the real deal. Check this out, folks. Do you like Bitcoin? Do you like receiving Bitcoin donations and rewards? Do you like helping others with the same? You're about to be blown away. I was. All right, so I'm in the back office of a live account, and this is basically an example of the activity that could happen once you join the members only club. This is the $25 goal level, and this has cycled 6 times, and one club is currently active. Okay. Started on October the 7th. Activity started on October the 9th. And then more activity on October the 10th. More activity on the 12th. More activity on the 12th. Oh my God, the 12th was hot. Then the 19th. Then the 19th. Okay? This is the $25 level. 6 cycles. And they opened up the $50 donation level. And let's see if we got any activity there. Of course we do. This is the members only club. Stop playing with me. All right. So as we can see, incepted on October the 7th. And activity began on December the 5th once that level was opened up for this account. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 cycles so far. And we have 1 active matrix. This is a ludicrous. Not the one in Atlanta, you guys. This is TMOC. And I've been in many programs, but nothing ever like this. When they say automation, this is true automation. And it started with $125 donation in Bitcoin. So let's go and see the real numbers. So on the side, you'll have your clubs. You'll see that once you sign up, you'll see your personal invitees. These are the people and their information that you brought in. And then you'll have your financials. This is the loot. This is the rewards. This is the donations. These are the things that you've received in acceptance of becoming a member of TMOC. Check this out, y'all. OMG. Or as I say, Oma. What date was that? Let's go back and see. Okay, let's go back and see. $25 level and donations open up first. Activity started on October the 7th. Okay, now let's go back to financials and see what we're looking at a couple of months later. Only one $25 donation in Bitcoin, you guys. This is how crazy this is. So as of today, a couple of months later, this account has $250 in donations available, or rewards, whatever you like to call it. You earned it simply by becoming a member of the members only club, people. So this is all your activity for the account down here. All right, you'll be able to see that, which club, which donation. But let me show you one thing that makes this different from the rest. All right, so on the side, you're going to click on a button that says, or a tab that says, Profile Settings. Go into your profile settings as soon as you sign up with this account. And click Automatically Re-enter All Clubs. Yes! The reason I say this, some of you already get it. I call this an automated program, and that's because every time you come out of one level, it's going to automatically put you back in. It's going to withdraw the donation to get it started, and it's going to automatically put the rewards in your financial account. So you can have 5 different levels cycling at one time. That is how This $25 donation turned in to this here. This is TMOC, the members only club. And as the levels open up, come over here and get your weight up. Now, I can't show this information because it is confidential to the members of the members only club, but this is just more bang for your participation. Trust me, you want to see what's behind these tabs. It's not called the members only club for nothing. We live it. And I'm livid because enough people don't know about this. But with your help, spread this to your family and friends, okay? Help them sign up their Bitcoin account and make their first $25 donation. If you need help, admin will help you here in the program. There are calls once a week, but you'll learn all that once you join, okay? I'm not going to get into that. I just want you to see what I saw when I went into my account today to see what type of activity happens at the members only club. One $25 donation, a little bit of time to get everything set up. Turn that button on yes, and come back and check your account every now and then. You'll also get an email when you've received a reward. So you want to go check that. And yeah, wait for the other levels to open up. Okay? The automation button actually grabs the donation from the available funds. Okay? So you personally don't have to do anything. Let it work for you. This is passive income, you guys. I don't know if you know what that means, but I just showed you. Okay? This is passive donations of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently on the rise, and you know it's up and down. Okay? But the thing is, you can turn Bitcoin, or you can use it the same as cash. There are Bitcoin cards available. You can purchase a Bitcoin card. You can add your Bitcoin to it. Visa, okay? Visa, okay? Anywhere Visa is used, you can use that card. So if you have $1 million in Bitcoin, you have it on your Visa card. You get it? Passive income coming to you from yours truly. All right, so don't forget to share this video with individuals that may want to join the members only club. This is no games. The individuals that are behind the making of this program, they were fed up, they're tired. People say automated, people say passive, people say, it's the best thing on the market, but I just showed you how it works. You click the button and the system does the work. Okay? Tell someone you love about the members only club. Tell someone you love. And good luck trying to find something like it. Okay? It's very inexpensive. It has information that is going to catapult you as an individual, and it's connected to the #1 cryptocurrency on the market. On the market, or should I say on the market. I've never seen anything like it, and I've been in tons of programs. But I was not in disbelief. I was more in relief that I wasn't dreaming. That this actually works the way it says it works. So shouts out to the programmer. Shouts out to the creators. Shouts out to the family. Look, they're numbers, they're numbers. No names are being revealed. They're numbers. Club number. Member numbers. Like, they're numbers. So You don't know where it's coming from. You just know that somebody's on the same page and in the same mind frame of you, that helping each other is all we need to do. It's all about helping each other. It's all about sharing something that's good, that works, where nobody's getting robbed, nobody's getting ripped off, and not the people at the top are the only ones making the money. Like, those days are over. TMOC is here. Now, in order to make this machine work the way this machine works, you have to be participating, which means just share it with someone. So even though you may bring in your cousin or your sister, you're probably not going to receive rewards from them. You're probably going to receive them from somebody generations down the line in the system. Everybody eats. Everybody receives. You just have to keep it moving and make sure that button is on, right? So share this with everybody you know that won't think, you're trying to scam them, think everything is a scam, when things like TMOC has been going on for decades, centuries. Lucky you, it's falling into your lap. So then you have the responsibility to go out and tell someone that needs this. That is your responsibility. I didn't mean to preach on this video, but this is the most that's a double conjunction. I don't know what that was, but this is the easiest way. I don't want to say it. People don't like when you say easy, but this is the easiest way. This is a no-brainer to just build consistent passive rewards day after day, month after month, year after year. We're not going anywhere. This is a legit program. The homework has been done. The information has been provided, and the system has been put in place. What are you waiting for? Why are you still watching this video? You should already been done that. Because the sooner that you get in, the sooner you get in the rotation. The sooner you get in the rotation, the more rewards are cycling on your behalf in the back office. Let me see. Well, we can't see all the levels, but just knowing what I've heard, yeah, there are some nice levels on the way. So you've seen $25 and you've seen $50 in donations. What about $100 in donations? How much do you think that's gonna bring? What about $250, $500, $1,000? I don't know how high it goes, but this is just from $25. I don't care how it can stay at $25. It's passive. I don't have to touch nothing. I don't have to do nothing. All I do, if I needed it, right, then I would just go into my back office and make a withdrawal request. I love you guys. Thank you for your time, your patience, putting up with my craziness. But, some things you have to share, right? Some things you just have to share, and you leave it up to that individual to make a decision. They know where they are in their lives at this time. Things like TMOC does not come often. So a cat like me, I'll take the risk. No risk, no reward, baby. This is TMOC, the members only club. Y'all hit the link below. Go check it out. Get your count. As soon as you get that link, tell it to your people. Let's get it popping. We need 1 million strong so we can take care of our families and do what we have to do and show the love. God bless everybody. I'm out.